Oh, good, it's recording. All right, look, I'm going to do number 8. So it's online, it's done and ready. Does this thing focus? I don't even know what's going on. Is this real? Oh, there we go. What? Oh, well, okay. So it's asking us to consider the complex number z, which equals 1 plus 2i, and w, which equals 2 plus ai, where a is a real number. I guess it just has a regular r, not a fancy r, but what it means, this means that a is a real number, that a is a member of the set of real numbers. Okay, so yeah, and considering that the absolute value of w equals 2 times the absolute value of z, okay, can we figure out what a is? So sure, let's do that. So first of all, for the complex number system, I'm going to use alpha and beta instead of a, since there's already an a there, I'll use alpha and beta to make this point. For the complex number system, the complex number alpha plus beta I, okay, the absolute value of alpha plus beta I is the square root of alpha squared plus beta squared. Okay? Is that sensible? It should be sensible. Okay? And I already explained some of that. I can repeat that explanation. But for now, I'm just going to accept this as truth, that absolute value for complex numbers means this. It maps to the set of real positive numbers. Okay. So if the absolute value of w equals this, then what is a? Well, okay, so let's start at this plus ai, saying that this equals 2 times this. 2i, right? Okay. So, I don't know, let's work these out individually, shall we? So, this is the same as the square root of 2 squared plus a squared. That's what that is. And this is equal to 2 times the square root of 1 squared plus 2 squared. Okay. So far things are kind of making sense, I think. And I'm going to work this out. 2 squared, of course, is 4. Can this focus any better? Hang on. Anyway, yep. So 2 squared is 4 plus 1 squared, which is 5. So this is the same as 2 times the square root of 5. And this is the same as the square root of 4 plus a squared. All right. That's so lovely. Now we just have to solve for a. So I am going to square both sides of the equation. So I get 4 plus a squared equals, then 2 squared is 4. Square root of 5 squared is 5. So it's 4 times 5, which of course is 20. So, running out of room. Okay. Okay, so this is 4 plus a squared equals 20. That's all sensible. I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides so that I get a squared equals 16. Okay, now I'm going to take the square root of both sides. So square root this, square root that, so that a equals 4. And that is my answer. Okay, in just almost 5 minutes.